Today we're grouting. It was 30 degrees this morning in Florida. So we're bundled up and we have the heat on and the pipes didn't freeze here. So that's great news. Let's get to work. So I've done shower tile twice before and this is by far the best one. Around the window is not an easy part to do. I think it turned out really nice. Man, you gotta see this. Just perfect. All right, this is the grout we're using. We picked this stuff out the store with the tile, so it's gonna be a good match. There's a color somewhere on it. It's pewter. Mix it up, spread it on the tile. 'Scrub-a-dub-dub. Gotta get all the mortar off the tile. Otherwise you have mortar sticking through your tile and then you'll see it. It's not a good look. Forearms are burning already. This is looking really good. Right now I'm going over it with the sponge, making sure all the grout lines are nice. This shower looks really good. This is probably the best tile I've ever done. Every time you do tile, just get better. And the beautiful thing about it is that if I missed a little bit around the edges, you just caulk it. There's a caulk that matches this grout color perfectly. So that's what I'll do around the bottoms, corners, tops. Tub's a little messy though. And check this out. It was almost the perfect amount of grout. How's the tile look? When we decided the tile, I really wanted to get like maybe like a colorless or a tone like taupe, or something that doesn't really stand out. But Maddie convinced me with the green. I think it's nice that it's darker, it's a contrast. And it's, it's not white, it's not boring and basic. But I do worry that the green will eventually go out of style, but that's not gonna be our problem. Anyways, today I'm doing some finishing touches on it. We grouted yesterday, so I need to kind of wipe the tiles clean again. And then I will be caulking the rest of the gaps that I wasn't able to grout. I got the caulk over here. Got this stuff at Floor & Decor with the grout. You can see the color is that same pewter color and it has like sand. Yeah, so it's silicone caulk but it's sanded, so it has like a sandy finish. So the finish will kind of match, you know, the grout, because it's kind of a sandy finish. Let's get to it. Not as clean as I wanted it to look. It's a big gap to fill. Cool. So I discovered the sponge method, and I don't think I'll ever go back. Use the sponge to clean your caulk line afterwards. Before I was using like my finger and a latex glove with water, and then going back over it with paper towel to clean up the edges, and it was such a mess. But if you use the sponge, it's so quick. Just like 1, 2, you're done. That's it. So that was really nice to find out midway through the project, and it helped me finish a lot quicker. I'm actually going to install the shower head and accessories, shower head and plumbing on this side over here. The head will go right there. So I'm gonna do that first before I take off this like plywood situation I have on the tub right now. This was an expensive shower head. I guess the whole system came together, but... Okay. Alright, that's it. Looks good, I like the black. Bag of tricks here. That goes in there, and that goes over it. Yeah. Okay, maybe, you know what? Let's do this one first, just in case I accidentally turn the water on. This one's a bit of a gamble because, see how long that is? Well, it has to like kind of fit flush. And by kind of, I mean it definitely has to fit flush. Bought this at Home Depot, I'm not sure if it's the right size. Oh. Okay, so I'm like half an inch too big. That's unfortunate, man. That's really unfortunate. Maybe I could just cut a ½ inch off this. Sounds like a bad idea. Ooh, sounds like a bad idea. I'm gonna do it. Yep. Now, if this doesn't fit after all this, that didn't work. No surprises. But I've got this in anyways. I'm just gonna go to the store, buy a shorter one, and then install this part later. Oh shoot, yeah, cover was supposed to go on already. I'm so good at this. There's 2 things in there. And then this. Alright, so pretty much got the shower all caulked and sealed. Just putting the finishing touches. I need to get some more caulk. I need some silicone white to go around the toilet and some areas around the tub. So I need to go grab that. I also need to get that pipe fitting for the spigot. You know, I'm really happy with it. It looks almost complete, really. So. We finally got the right pipe size, so I'm gonna install that shower now. Let's see if it's gonna fit. I don't get it. This sucks, man. How many freaking times am I gonna have to do this? Hey, we're back. Welcome back to the threaded pipe saga. This has been a long, painful process to get this pipe figured out, and today we've got a special surprise and method. This is a pipe threader. At our primary house, I bought this pipe threader when I was doing some plumbing. So it worked for me then, and I'm hoping that I can rethread the end of this pipe that I cut and make it work. I told Maddie this was my plan, and she goes, this has like fix all the window frames with sawdust and glue energy. Okay, so here's the kit. I've got the 1/2-inch threader. These things are pretty beefy. Put this in here and crank the thread on. That's what we're doing today. I can't wait, man. It's gonna be so much fun. It may not work, probably won't work. I'm not expecting this to work, unless it does. I can buy this part online, 5.5-inch threaded pipe. They just didn't have it in Home Depot, so I've been pushing it off until now. Should I read the instructions? That looks complicated. Yeah, I don't need these instructions. I have no idea how to do this. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Keep going. Got some crispy threads on there, check it out. That may do it. It may do it. Come on, just a little further. Oh, shit. Whew. And it's warm. It's hot water. Perfect. Pipe threading kit for the win!